It's Saturday morning, and what I would have to say of these fabrics is they're cottons. They're beautiful, 100%ers. This first one, these are all theory. These are 100% viscose. It's a woven, it's beautiful. You know, the viscose, the rayon, it's just got beautiful drape to it. And you can see it really goes well with the pinks, with the lavenders. It's just pretty, even with the cream over here. So it's just a really beautiful fabric. Little paisleys in there, very pretty. Then we have, this is a stretch woven. Again, these are theory, so just think of jackets, pants. They just make all kinds of things with this. It's 100% cotton. It's a beautiful hand. It's a 4. It's a very light 4 ounces. So like I said, perfect jean jackets, any kind of jackets, and even blouses, shirts, pants. It's really such a versatile fabric. Same with this, different color. This beautiful purplish, not a lavender, kind of a deep lavender. It's a 100% cotton, also has stretch in one direction. It's a stretch woven. And you can see what a beautiful marriage it is to this knit. 100% viscose, has stretch in both directions. Just a really pretty pairing. I just love, that's what I get excited about, is the pairing. Somebody asked me, do I get excited about the fabric? It's more the quality and the pairings that I get excited about. Just because when they come together, they're just so beautiful. And they offer such a non-homemade look. And then we have this beautiful cream. I'm sorry, this is a stretch. It's a stretch woven. It doesn't have a lot of stretch, but it has beautiful drape, and it's a cotton poly. It does have stretch to it. Don't get me wrong. You could easily do a great pair of pants. It would drape beautifully, very pretty, or even a blouse. And then we have 100% cotton. This is stretch woven, and yet you can see that it's a cream that you can't see through. It's beautiful, and it pairs well with this. It pairs well with this print also. If I can get it to where you all can see it together. Isn't that beautiful though? So I'm really excited. These are all from Theory. They're beautiful fabrics, beautiful pairings, and perfect for summer. The summer is hot, and wovens, we know, are just perfect for that time. So happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.